I just got some new sneakers. Y'all hear that? Let's talk about it.
See they pose, hashtag goals. I'm just posting where I been. Understand that I am the man.
What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks. Welcome to my channel, Coolin' with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion, all in the same sitting. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit that like button, and drop a comment down below and let me know you rocking with the team. Now, with all that being said, I know y'all see the details down below and y'all see the title down below, so I ain't even gonna hold y'all, man. Let's just hop into this sneaker, man. Y'all know how we do it. Let's get right to it. Roll camera. All right, y'all. I got that Nike Air Max 1 NYC Chinatowns, man. These boys are so fire. Now, I told y'all when I went to round 2 in Chicago on All-Star Weekend, I was looking for this sneaker as well. But I told y'all I was gonna go for these boys. I was coming for these joints and I was waiting for them for a while. I couldn't get them from round 2 because they wasn't in my size. So I had to wait and I had to end up going on GOAT to go get these sneakers, man. So I ended up coming, instead of paying retail was $130, so I ended up paying $215 altogether with the shipping and everything on GOAT. So I'm all in good standing. I'm happy that I even got these sneakers. Like I said, I was coming for this sneaker for a while, man, simply because if y'all know my channel, y'all know I am into some really loud sneakers. So something like this, yeah, you definitely got my attention. So let's just talk right about it, man. First thing first, if you look at this sneaker, you'll see at the bottom there is 4 different colors at the bottom of this sneaker, and I think it's hella fire. You got pink, you got red, which is like a hot red color, hot punch color. Then you have yellow and blue that's at this bottom. So not only will you see this at the bottom, but you'll see this on the entire part of the sneaker in different areas. So it do some crazy color blocking on the sneaker. So I'm hella excited about that. Now, if we move up to the midsole of the sneaker, you'll see that it gets a hard stop of white that's on here, like a huge color block that's on here. It just goes immediately to white, and I think this is pretty fire because it just gives like the brightest color that's on this sneaker, which is white, of course, and it just adds some hard contrast to the entire sneaker. So it actually gives you some attention at the bottom of the sneaker and at the midsole of the sneaker. Now, if you look at the air that's on the inside of this sneaker, which is pretty fire, I think they chose the right color. Instead of going with yellow or blue or the pink color, I think they did a good job with going with this red color. I think it's hella fire. So now let's move up to the upper of this sneaker. Now, it's a lot that's going on the top of this sneaker, so bear with me while I go through this really quick. I'm gonna try to go through it as fast as I can and make sure that I describe this accurately for y'all. All right, so first thing first, if you're looking at all the black that's around this entire sneaker, you'll see a lot of suede. So everything from the mid area and the front toe of this sneaker, you'll see a lot of suede that's on this black. But as you start to move to the back of the sneaker, it changes up just a bit. The bottom area of here is suede, but as you move up to the top of here, you have that plastic that's up top, and it's all black at the back area on the top of the sneaker. Staying at the back of here, you also have this Pegasus that's back here, which is actually hella fire. I think it's pretty dope. Pegasus also, from what I was doing when I was doing my research and reading, it also means celebration. So this is definitely a sneaker worth celebrating in and worth being stylish in at the same time too. Now, going back to the midsection of this upper part of the sneaker, what you will see is this swoosh that's on here. It looks like a 3D embroidery, like a 3D puff embroidery. It sticks out a little bit more than what the actual swoosh is. On the inside of that swoosh, you'll have like this plastic like feel on the inside and presentation as well. So it's kind of shiny, so as you move the sneaker, you'll see a gloss on this sneaker as well. I think that's hella fire. Now, moving up to the front of the sneaker is like this red, this hot punch red on the front of here again, and we have mesh on here, which I think, for one, y'all already know that I love mesh when it comes to any type of sneaker. You won't have too much wrinkling that's going on here, but from a lot of people, from what I'm hearing is, yo, the wrinkle will come instantly. But I'm not even worried about that because I mean, I do got some like toe shells and everything, so I could just slide them right in and I'll be good to go. So I'm not even tripping like that. So if you do feel like there's gonna be a problem like that, grab some toe shells. They don't cost much. I'll talk to y'all about that in the next video and you'll be all good to go. Now, next up, if you look on here, it's not only mesh right here, you also have this hot pink plastic that's on here. It's pretty dope to me, and they have like the stitching that's on the inside of here is yellow, so they do have a lot of color blocking that's going on in here from not only just the different type of fabrics that's on here, you also have it in the stitching. So you have yellow on the inside of here, and on the inside you can't really see it like that, but the stitching is blue on the inside of here, and then you'll have some stitching that's on here as well that's following on the plastic top, you'll see black, and then you'll also see like 2 different colors of pink, and you'll see pink and red, not 2 different colors of pink, but you'll see pink and red stitching. So hopefully y'all can see that a little bit. There we go. All right, y'all see that. Moving to the back upper of this sneaker, you'll see that you have blue on the inside, and you will have this soft pink mesh that's on the outside. Well, still going along with the red color. It's red, it's not really pink, it's red. When you get close to it and your face is really close to it and you see it hand in hand, you'll see that this is actually a red color instead of it being pink. It also, like when you move it, it also does go to a lighter shade of red. So like this is pretty dope, whoever had that idea. It's like this shining gloss on here, and it goes from like red to like really vibrant pink. It's pretty fire. But all in all, it's pretty soft on here, so you will have no problem putting your feet on the inside of here. You won't feel anything that's hard on the back of your foot. It won't feel like it's suffocating your foot either, because it's very soft on here, and I think that is hella dope. The last 2 things that I do want to bring to your attention, well, one really quick, I got that definitely got that Nike tag that's on there. Oh, shout out to them. The laces, these laces are pretty fire. I actually think they did a good job when they chose these laces. They have black and then they have pink, staying along of the theme of the sneaker, but at the same time I still want to get some white laces just to play hard on, put some hard contrast on the sneaker, so I can still continue to do some color blocking. Instead of just having a 2-tone lace, I want to have just one lace that's just completely white. I think I might just change that up later on, but as of right now, I'll let these ride. They do have that yellow that's in here. If you looking like, yo, what a yellow throughout the entire sneaker, we have that Pegasus on the back, but also you will have that on the tongue, so you will have some loud, crazy sneaker, man. I'm telling you. But so this tongue, it got the yellow on here, and then on the inside, it got that pink that's on the inside. That's when pink comes back in. So shout out to the creators of this sneaker, man. This collab was pretty fire. I'm looking towards wearing this sneaker really soon. So these might be the first sneakers that I wear when this whole quarantine is over and everything like that. I'm looking forward to this, man. This is definitely true to size. This is a size 13. Shout out to the BAF squad, big ass foot squad. Y'all know what it is, man. This sneaker right now is going for like 200 bones. Yeah, retail was 130, but it's going for 200 bones. Altogether, I spent 15 with shipping, so 215 altogether, man. Definitely a sneaker worth having inside of your collection. I'm excited for this sneaker. Like, I'm too geeky for this one, man. So I'm about to get up out of here, man. I appreciate y'all watching the video, man. As always, I'm about to get up out of here. This camera is about to die on me, bro. But I'm about to get up out of here, man. I'll catch up with y'all on my next sneaker review. Y'all know how it is. I'm your homeboy Camcorder Banks. I'll get at y'all next time. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holler at you. Peace.
Enlightened creature here. Ain't no man that I'ma fear. Godly and I hardly fuck with peasants. Go and fetch my